Ollie, you can't have that. Come on, give me the lollipop. Nope, nope. Here you go. No lollipop. No lollipop for you. No lollipop for you. Look what you can have. You can have that. Don't drop it. Ollie. Oliver, don't drop it. Give it to me. Okay, give me the paper. Give me the paper.
Oh, you want to do Dairy Queen?
Thank you. Thank you. No more for you. You want to come to me? Come on. Come on. Oliver, come. Come on. What are you going to do? You going to find more candy? No potato chips. Let's see what we have under here. Ooh, paradise. No chips. No, no, no. No chips. What is that? Another lollipop? Did you find another lollipop? Oliver, somebody told me a nasty, nasty email that you're not allowed to have sugar. So, since you've been eating Twizzlers for 6 months, Twizzlers, nothing's really happened to you. I never knew you weren't supposed to have sugar. And you sure do like those cinnamon almonds. I wonder about apricots. They have natural sugar in them. Can I have that lollipop now? Nope. No, let's not open it. Let's not open it. Let me take this one away. Nope. Thank you. Thank you. We stuck on your beak? Let go. Let go. Let go. Thank you. Thank you. I'm gonna go get the apricot. What are you gonna go get? Nah. Throw the paper overboard. Hurry up, Ollie. Come here. Come on, Ollie. Ollie. Come here. Come here. Come here. Give me the paper. Just give me the paper. Thank you. I got the paper. Now what are you going to do? Come here. Come on. You want to go sheepy? You want to go sheepy sheepies? Come on, it's time to go sleepies. Come on, it's time to go sleepies. Time to go sleepies. And Ollie says good night.